People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favourite reviews, very inspiring. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had the chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.